So for global brands, as they continue to grow, a lot of challenges come up when it comes to multi-currency, multi-language. So the way Klaviyo supports this is you'd have unique accounts for each site that you'd be managing on the Shopify end. However, when we look at our billing structure, everything goes back to the profile. So you're not paying for separate accounts as much as you're paying for separate subscriber lists. And each list is going to be unique, but you'd have the visibility into revenue, on-site performance, everything else that's very unique across different jurisdictions, especially when we get to a data compliance perspective. A lot of that comes into play. So keeping in mind that GDPR, every other data privacy law that is in effect now in the United States, how these need to be managed in their own unique right, but doing so in a way that each account has its own unique Klaviyo instance.